everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Pretty car, guys. I originally bought this car down in Tennessee. Sold it about, I think it's 7 months ago. Nice car. Sold to a guy down in Virginia. He bought it immediately. Put a big block 468 aluminum headed roller motor in it. Put a brand new 200 R4 overdrive transmission behind it. Unfortunately, as soon as we got it back, we drove the first time, it was fine. Second time, we had some trouble with the transmission. So I ended up sending it down the street to Fraley's. Whoever put the trans in for them just did not do it properly, and so we ended up having to completely rebuild. So it's actually got, well, we drove it back from the trans shop, so it's got about 5 miles on the transmission. He put about 750 miles on it. So it's got 750 miles on the engine. Killer car, finished in Tuxedo black. Of course, it's got the red vinyl interior. Pretty car, guys. It's not if I remember right, this is not an original Super Sport. It's more of a retro mod. You can see they've updated the headlights. It does have the functional cowl hood. Not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. Very cool car, plenty of power. Again, brand spanking new aluminum headed roller motor in it. I apologize about the little misty rain here, but we just can't get out of this weather pattern. Had a beautiful week last week, and this week's been a little tough. Love the color combo. This is my favorite. I love black with red. It's got a aftermarket sound system. A lot of cool stuff. It's got hydroboost brakes. Pretty car, man. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got slick paint, US mags on it, new rubber all the way around it. That's clean, straight old Chevelle right there, man. Good looking car. Again, there's 750 miles on this. It's a 468 big block Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got aluminum intake, hooker headers, aluminum heads, Lunati roller camshaft. It's got a 10.5 to 1 pistons in it. You can see it's got the serpentine belt system in it. Power steering, hydroboost, front disc brakes. Air blows cold. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. You can see the MSD boxer. It's an MSD digital 6AL with a Pro Billet distributor. Brand spanking new. 5 miles on it. 200 R4 automatic overdrive trans with a. It's got a 2800 stall converter. New flywheel. Went ahead and put a new flywheel in it. Pretty car, man. If you want to nitpick, you can see it's got little cracks in the red on the dash there. That's a good looking car, man. It's actually got power windows too. Utilizes the stock cranks, but it's actually got power windows in it. Bucket seats, console, tilt column. It's got the wood grain steering wheel in it. Or not wood grain, wood steering wheel in it. It's got a Dakota digital dash cluster in it. Aftermarket sound system. You can see it's even got the kick panels with the speakers in it. Dual exhaust. Oh, it's 12-volt rear. I think this is a 373 posi. This is all the engine on the, all the paperwork on the engine and the new trans. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. They did put a new trunk pan in it. Fin aluminum cover. Flowmaster duals. It's got a good sound to it. Just a little repair on the door pad there. Didn't want to focus. Car's nice, man. Pretty car. Have you go ahead and shut that hood and pin it. $878 on your odometer. Tach works. Gauges work. Got good sound. Power to it. I'm not real sure. May have to check on that. We're not the best at radios, to be honest with you. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.